Chapter 10 Calorimetry. Learning Objectives. Heat energy. Temperature. Heat capacity or thermal capacity, C. Factors affecting heat absorption and release by a body. Specific heat capacity. Calorimeter. Principle of calorimetry or principle of method of mixtures. Natural consequences of high specific heat capacity of water. Everyday use of high specific heat capacity of water. Change of state or phase. Heating curve for water. Latent heat of fusion. Natural consequences of high specific latent heat of fusion of ice. General applications of high specific latent heat of fusion of ice. Heat energy. We have learned in earlier classes that heat is a form of energy, and some forms of energy can be converted into heat. Moreover, heat can be converted into other forms of energy. We know that each substance is made up of molecules. The molecules in a substance are in a state of random motion, and each molecule exerts a force of attraction on other molecules. Thus, molecules possess kinetic energy due to their random motion and potential energy due to the attractive forces between them. The sum of the potential energy and kinetic energy of a molecule is called its internal energy. The total internal energy of all the molecules in a substance is called its thermal energy. A hot body has more internal energy than an identical cold body. When a hot body is kept in contact with a cold body warms up while the hot body cools down. In other words, the internal energy of the cold body increases while that of the hot body decreases. This results in the flow of energy from the hot body to the cold body when they are in contact. The energy that flows from the hot body to the cold body is called heat energy, or simply heat. Like all other forms of energy, heat is also a measurable quantity. The measurement of heat is known as calorimetry. Units of heat energy. In the past, heat energy was measured using the unit called calories. A calorie is the amount of heat energy needed to raise the temperature of 1 gram of pure water by 1 degree Celsius. However, due to the non-uniform thermal expansion of water, this assumption is not entirely accurate. Hence, a more precise definition, known as the 15 degrees Celsius calorie, is defined as the heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water from 14.5 degrees Celsius to 15.5 degrees Celsius. Because the calorie was deemed too small for practical purposes, a larger unit was introduced, known as the kilocalorie. A kilocalorie is the amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of pure water by 1 degree Celsius. It's also referred to as the big calorie, doctor's calorie, or simply calorie with a capital C. Kilocalories are commonly used to measure the energy content of foods and fuels, with 1 kilocalorie being equal to 1000 calories. Although energy is typically measured in joules, and heat energy, being a form of energy, should logically also be measured in joules for precise scientific purposes. However, doctors and nutritionists continue to use kilocalories. Following are the equivalents of calorie and kilocalorie in joules. 1 calorie is equal to 4.186 joules is equal to 4.2 joules, approximately. 1 kilocalorie is equal to 4186 joules is equal to 4200 joules, approximately.